Okay, I did forget one thing. These DMs, honey, I am on social media more right during this vacation than I ever am. That tends to be my way because when I'm home, I don't, I won't make the time to do it. But here, what am I doing? Really? I don't have time. Just do it. I mean, it's a part of my day. I'm enjoying it. But I'm getting used to this DM thing because people will say some stuff. So the question was, what's my status? Okay, let me tell you my status. Soy jubilada, soy divorciada, soy soltera. See? ¿Tú me comprendes? I am retired, I am divorced, I am single, and I'm not trying to change not one component of that, honey. If I am no longer soltero, believe me, it will be temporal. Very temporary. Okay, so I am divorced, I am retired, I am single. Jubilada, divorciada y soltera. Look at that. You got a Spanish lesson and a status update. You are with me on my winter vacation in Punta Cana.